Creating stunning welding art is an incredibly rewarding craft and allow how to use creativity with craftsmanship. In this YouTube video, we have take you captivating journey into the world of welding art, where we'll explore various techniques, tips and tricks to help you master and captivating your self-experience. Welding art is a versatile medium that enables you to transform raw material into breathtaking sculpture, intricate design, and functional pieces of art. Whether you are seeing welder or just starting, this video will provide you valuable insight to elevate your welding artistry. We will being by welding into essential tools and safety equipment required for welding. Ensure you are well prepared to your artistic and over proper protective gear such as welding helmet, glove and frame, artistic clothing, vital safeguard yourself during the welding processes. We will explore the different type of welding techniques from the classic welding to more advanced magnetic welding methods. Each technique has its own unique characteristics and applications in welding art, allowing you to choose the best suit for project artistic vision. Throughout the video, we will offer you tips how to enhance cleaner precise weld, either you are working with steel, aluminum or other metals. We will discuss importance of selecting the right welding rod and class to ensure optimal weld quality. As we progress, we will uncover the secret to creating captivating design and pattern through welding. You will learn how to plan and sketch your design. Transfer them into your metal covers. Execute intricate weld that bring your vision to life. From freedom sculpture to geometric design, our video will provide you with inspiration and guide to create welding art that leave a lasting impression. To add depth and dimension of your welding art, we will explore techniques of grinding, polishing, finishing your work, proper finishing, creative achieving professional and polished look enhanced the overall impact of your creation. Throughout the video, we will emphasize the importance of safety and precautions in welding art, offering insight into troubleshooting common welding issue and ensuring your project meets the high quality understanding. We will discuss the importance of selecting right material for your welding art, including consider from angle resistance and long-term durability. With knowledge will help you create pieces with stand the test of time, either you are display indoor and outdoor. As we near conclusion of the video, we will share tips on how to protect preserve your welding art, ensuring it reclaimed attractive year to come. We will cover topics such as sealing and rust prevention to help you maintain the dignity of your creation. Lasting, we will introduce you to vibrant welding community where you can contact with follow artistic, share your work and share inspiration, the metalwork can be invaluable reasons for joining your skills and expanding your horizons in the world of welding art. You have gained comprehensive understanding of welding art from the basic of welding techniques to integrative design, finishing, and prevention. You will acquire the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your own welding art project and transform matter into beautiful work of art. In this immersive YouTube video, we will explore the memorizing world of welding art in a concise and engaging manner. We will develop into the intricate techniques and tools required for welding art while also sharing tips to help beginners get started through a visual fast of memorizing time to lapse and detailed functional pieces. We will uncover the secret of choosing the right material. Mastering evolving into true work of art, whether you are seeing welder looking to refine your skills, of a complete noise care to explore this creative reclaim, get away to enhancing what of welding art, join us with that spark inspiration and celebrate the figure of craftsmanship and creativity. We will develop into the art of welding, uncovering the techniques, tools, and materials essential for your artistic endeavor. We will explore the fusion of metal from intricate sculpture to functional pieces, ignite your passion from style craft. Join will ignite the world of spark and molten matter, unlocking the secret to welding artistry and moving you to forge to unique part of this captivating reclaim. Either you are seen welder looking to expand your artistic horizons for beginners, scared to ignite your creative flame. This guide will equip you with knowledge and skill needed to embark on transformative welding art of journey. Welding, often referred to hidden art of welding metal, has rich history that dates back to times from nearly blacksmithing of the modern marvels of scrapyard of scrap metal. Welding evolving versatile craft metal function to aesthetic. The video will explore the artistry behind welding. We will explore the artistry, techniques, and safety measures that ensure both precious and protection. Either you are seen welder or a curious enthusiast, join us on journey through the memorizing world of welding, where spark of creativity and craftsmanship unite to create and enduring masterpieces across various industries. Knowledge and skill needed to embark on transformative welding art of journey. So Let you are equipped with knowledge and inspiration to embark to your own welding project and transform matter into breathtaking work of art. So grab your welding gear, us on this captivating journey, and let's ignite your passion welding art like over before. Thank you so much for watching this video.